guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some Easter junk journals to show you. These are 3 little golden books, and there's just one of each of these because that's what I've found. They are differing ages. They're all pretty like newish as far as the copyright on them, but I'll have the details. I'll let you know the details as we go along. Each of them are 2 inches, have a 2-inch spine, and the back and the spine is covered in fabric. And then I added some detailing on the front and on the back where the seams were there. And then they each have a tassel, and the tassel has a cute little bunny button that I've glued on. And then each of the tassels has some vintage lace, new ribbons, and some fun yarn in there. So really pretty. But all the books have a tie that is glued into the spine, and it is made with fabric. I'll go ahead and show you this one here. This is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. A really cute book. And so they each have 2 signatures. I believe it's 8 inches tall by 6 inches, and then the pages I made 5 3/4 by 8. I used an authentic paper pad, and then I also included dyed papers, vintage book pages, napkin, doilies. I stitched throughout. There's some lunch sacks in here. I made tags, little pockets. So just go ahead and do a quick flip through. Here's the front cover, and I have a little tuck spot there. Here's a tuck spot. Each of these books will come with a vintage bunny Flossing bag here, and it'll be filled with some goodies. I made some tags and things, so I'll go through one of these here in a bit. So I'll just do a quick flip through of each. They're all pretty similar. The layout is different for them, but I included similar items. This is a pocket. I included all the pages from the original book. And then there are some other bunny book pages that I included throughout as well from different books. Here's a little fabric flip up. The amount of pages I will have in the listing for you, but there are 2 signatures in here. Here's some vintage wrapping paper of the Beatrix Potter book. And then this is a super vintage book page here. It's got like the faux velvet, or I can't remember what that's called, but really cute little book page in there. I made some paper clips for these books. So each of the books will have a little egg paper clip, and then I also made a ribbon clip to go with this. This is a lunch sack, really pretty. And then I have lots of lace, vintage lace and new lace and fabric little gathers that I've sewn throughout the pages. This is a cut apart from that really old vintage book, and so I just made a little tuck page here with a vintage Easter sheet music, and then added some ribbon and a little carrot cut apart there. And then this is the other side here. There's another sheet music there, the Easter song. And then here's the back cover, and it has a pocket there, little tuck spot. So that's that one. The Velveteen Rabbit here. This is kind of a pinkish colorway. I used this gray and pink really cute fabric that has some lambs and little Easter bunnies on there. And then here's what the tassel looks like, and it has a cute little gray rabbit there, or it's kind of a tannish color rabbit. I added rickrack here and on the back. And then it has the fabric ties as well. And then I did it similar to the other book where there's the tuck spot here and on the back cover. And then the pages are all similar pages. So I'll just kind of fast forward through this. It has some a different lunch sack in there, but I'll fast forward and let you look at this. Last book here is called Home for a Bunny. It has the same tassel as the other blue and the same fabric, and this one has the little tiny rickrack instead of the polka dot ribbon, and then it has the tie made of fabric here. This is really similar as well as the same as the other, so I'll do a quick flip through this one. So that's the last book. Each of them will come with a vintage bunny glassine bag. These are, I'm not sure when these were from. They're probably like the late 70s, early 80s, I believe. These were, I found several packs of these at my mom's house when I went to look through all of her stuff. And so I brought them home to share with you guys. So I'm going to open up one of them. It's just an example of what will come with each one. They will each have I only have one in it right now, but they'll each have a couple more vintage bunny book pages. I also will include another Easter music sheet in there. I made these little journaling booklets, so each of them will have one of these. And then there will be a little set of extra journaling cards with a little paper clip that I made. They're little felt flower paper clips. So this has extra of these in there. It coordinates with the paper. Each one will come with some little cardstock Easter stickers. They're super cute. There's little eggs and bunnies, little ones that say Happy Easter. Will come with the various different ones of that. And then some little tags that I've made here with some of the leftover pieces of the paper, and then I just kind of decorated them with ribbons and the stickers and things. So this one has this particular package. I believe this one goes with the Velveteen Rabbit one, so these are really cute. And then these were just a couple extra pieces of the paper. So there'll be a few more things that I put in here. I'll put some vintage buttons, and then like a vintage, just other little vintage ephemera pieces that I think would go well with this. But I just thought this was a really cute little baggie and wanted to share that with these kits. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go on over to my Etsy shop and check out these junk journals, and I hope that they give you some inspiration if you're not able to purchase them. I just love to share my work. So have a great day. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.